Welcome to Elements of a Cross-Functional Team. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the elements of a cross-functional team and apply cross-functional team dynamics to Scrum. To achieve a common objective, cross-functional teams assemble individuals from different departments, such as marketing, product development, quality assurance, sales, and finance. They utilize diverse skills and knowledge from other functions. Imagine joining a cross-functional Scrum team working on a critical product. The team includes developers, a product owner, a Scrum Master, and stakeholders with unique skills, perspectives, and objectives. How do you ensure effective communication, conflict resolution, and constant value delivery during every sprint? To analyze the nature of the essential elements and dynamics in high-performing cross-functional teams, let's observe how these relationships depict the roles and responsibilities of a Scrum team. Building high-performing teams involves focusing on core elements that generate a collaborative, productive, and successful attitude. Let's explore the elements that make for effective team dynamics. Diverse roles and functions contribute to a variety of specialized skills. Each member brings the expertise that forms the collective knowledge required to deliver on objectives. A shared goal drives teamwork, but individual interpretations of objectives may vary. Leaders must align the team's goals while clearly defining each member's role and contribution. Effective communication and collaboration ensure smooth interaction and mutual understanding within the team. Clearly defined roles and responsibilities prevent conflicts and enhance performance, while unclear roles can lead to inefficiencies, boundary issues, and team dysfunction. Moving on, strong leadership identifies the needed skills, clearly sets goals, and ensures clarity in roles. It promotes communication and conflict resolution and pushes the team toward objectives. Lastly, cross-functional high-performance teams share decision-making, enabling robust and rounded solutions with collective input. The leader guides collective input and pushes the team toward consensus. An efficient, collaborative, cross-functional team can be built by understanding fundamental dynamics that foster a productive environment. Starting with trust and respect, strong relationships between leaders and team members facilitate collaboration. Inevitably, conflict arises because of differing opinions and expertise, and effective conflict resolution techniques based on communication and knowledge of team dynamics may help manage such conflicts. Communication is critical because providing various channels allows teams to share ideas, feedback, and concerns, reducing misunderstanding. Adaptability is also necessary because, through openness and flexibility, teams have a better chance of dealing with problems and finding solutions. Accountability, with well-defined roles, goals, and effective communication, requires every employee to consider their contributions accountable and responsible. A process is already in place to handle underperforming personnel. Continuous improvement is crucial to a team's growth. Teams learn from each other, celebrate successes, and analyze failures for improvement. The common elements and high-performance dynamics are crucial for Scrum teams to maintain their collaboration and deliver success. The product owner collaborates with the sponsors and stakeholders to define the objectives of an agile effort. Together with the Scrum Master, they determine what skills are needed to deliver value and collaborate with the sponsor to assemble a DevOps team to provide the necessary skills. The Scrum Master aids the DevOps team by removing obstacles to the Agile process and keeps them focused on sprint goals. The product owner maintains a shared vision, prioritizes work items, and fosters ongoing communication within the Scrum team and with stakeholders. Meanwhile, stakeholders review progress and provide feedback regularly to ensure alignment toward shared objectives. The team can trust one another in the process, manage conflicts, adapt to changing circumstances, and personally hold each other accountable. The iterative format of Agile ensures open communication, learning, and improvement, ensuring the team evolves and consistently delivers value. In this video, you learned that cross-functional teams unite individuals from various departments to achieve shared objectives by leveraging diverse skills and perspectives. In Scrum, Developers, product owners, scrum masters, and stakeholders collaborate to deliver value through clear goals. Open communication, strong leadership, accountability, adaptability, and continuous improvement. This helps the product owner to identify the objectives and involve all relevant stakeholders, the Scrum Master, to remove barriers and create focus, and the team to iterate to ensure steady results. Trust, respect, and effective conflict resolution build a productive environment